Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance. Today we are sharing with you a remedy to get rid of body heat. It is extremely useful for body heat as well as liver heat and numbness. If you use this remedy regularly for 3 weeks, cucumber seed will also help you to solve many other problems with stomach problems, kidney stones, urinary irritation, weight gain as well as skin and hair health. You can find these fresh seeds or can be used in any form of dry. Especially the use of cucumber and its seeds in hot weather helps to control many problems caused by heat. Now we talk about today's remedy that is quite simple but very good in terms of benefits. Now start the remedy. You will need just 2 ingredients: cucumber seeds as required, half cup yogurt. Method: grind cucumber seeds and save. Take 1 tablespoon cucumber seeds powder, mix with half cup yogurt and consume. Use daily for 2 weeks or until you get desired result. It is preferable to consume fresh cucumber with seeds if available, but follow the above mentioned procedure. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.